Hello, welcome back. So today I want to change the fan on this Skoda Fabia, and is this one, the smaller one. As you can see, there is a big one and a smaller one. I already changed the big one a while ago. I think this one is easier because it has the screws here on the outside that it's holding the motor itself, but this one has it on the other side. So I guess this one is a little bit more difficult. We have this whole plastic that is held by a few screws on one side and also on this side. So I wanna do it without from the top. I hope it's possible. I don't know, I didn't do this. So first I would remove this part from here so we can have a little bit more access. Alright, so that part is down. Yeah, just a few screws, and I want to do it, hopefully I can, by only taking out this, and there is another one screw like that just at the bottom without touching the AC system. On this part it's okay because we don't have anything to do with it, but here it's possible that we can't remove the plastic without emptying the AC system, but hopefully we can do it without that. I think I will also remove this fixing point here from this pipe. So let's see if we can do it. So guys, from the top I cannot do it because there is no way my hand will fit, even if it's so hard to show you here, even if this plastic moves. Yeah, I can get it away from the radiator, but my hands won't fit there, so it's really hard. And the other part is that if I want to take this plastic down, first I have to take the big fan down so I can remove the plastic completely with the fan together. So yeah, just 1000 more screws than it was planned, but this is it. I also took down from the bottom, I will show you immediately, the plastic cover so we can have easier access to the fan and to the connectors. And anyway, this big fan has also a screw down from the underside which you cannot reach from here. So screw by screw we will take down all these things, and then hopefully we can take this plastic out so we can access the fan mount easily. So here from the bottom we need to remove that screw, also this plastic thingy here, yeah, that one which holds both of the connectors. Yeah, this is one, the other one is already out. Yeah. And this is the fan we need to change, and this is the big one. So we will remove the screw from here and the other two from the top, and the big fan should be free. Yeah, and then we should be able to take the plastic out with the other fan on it. So the big fan is out. Yeah, it came out. It wasn't a big problem. The problem is I still cannot take this plastic thingy down with the other fan. So it's not going down, not coming up. It's hitting right that pipe at the compressor, and that's really hard to take down. So what I will try to do, I will try to put my hands inside, and hopefully we'll have a little bit of access. I'm not sure you can see. Yeah, those are the screws right there inside that we need to open. There are only 3 screws, I think, and then the fan should come down. It's not easy, but I think it's better than taking out the coolant from the AC circuit. So guys, I tried all the things and I still couldn't get the plastic out from there. It's really hard to reach the screws behind the plastic, and even if I could do it, I can undo them, but it's a real problem to put them back. So right now recovering the refrigerant, yeah, then I will take out this pipe and then the plastic should come out without problems. As you can see, the big fan is down, so for that one I don't see a problem. You can change that one easily, but this other one, the small one, it's a pain, yeah. So I will let the station recover the refrigerant and then I will get the plastic out. Alright, so we have the pipe down, and even this put up quite a fight. As you can see, those marks is this pin here that is holding the pipe in place. It almost didn't want to come out, and it's aluminum on steel, so you can imagine what's it like. So there are a little bit of marks from my screwdriver, but nothing that the o-ring will not seal, so they are not really in that place where the o-ring seals. It's just on the outside of them. So after a little bit of fight, don't forget to protect your pipes anyway. It's out, yeah. So we will replace the fan and hopefully we can put everything back together. A little bit awkward, like I see even the water radiator is not straight. It's a little bit to one side, but this is how it is. Yeah, it doesn't come out easy, so you have to be careful. Do not force it. When it wants to come out, it will come out. So this is for the 3 nuts that you have to take out. So even if I could take them out, yeah, like this. There is no space between the radiator and the plastic, so you can put them back. Now hopefully the spare part is the same, because that would be a pity. Yeah, well, I mean, it looks the same. Here is also the OEM part number, so if you want to search for a replacement, this was on this car. And the aftermarket, I have a Nissan one. This is the part number. So the fan is on, the direction is the same. I checked, it's rotating, everything's fine, but it went in a little bit harder than this one came out. And also a difference is here at the wires, when we have the wires coming from the side, and on this one we have them from the top. But I don't think that will be a problem. Now it only remains to put it on the car. Of course, aftermarket is aftermarket. Even here we have a balancing thingy on the fan. That one has nothing, so I believe it's 100% balanced. Yeah, well, this is it anyway. Okay, let's put it back on the car, because that will be fun also. So quite an important thing is that this aftermarket fan, yeah, it comes with a hollow plug, so it has nothing on it, and this is quite bad because water will get inside. So yeah, we have to take the seal from the old fan. Yeah, so don't forget to do that if your fan comes like mine without this plug. Alright, so we mounted pretty much. I mean, we mounted the fans, also mounted the pipe back. Yeah, and right now we are vacuuming the system. I will let it under vacuum, I think, until tomorrow. I still have to put a few screws down, actually one screw, and just the connectors from the fans back. This is, I think the smaller fan is for the AC, but when there is a problem or it's not enough, the big one will start also. So this is pretty much it. We have everything back in place. We are getting ready to charge the AC back with gas. We put oil, everything, so we will charge now 550 grams. Let's see. So we can see we have a vacuum. That's good. And now we will charge 550. Hopefully it will go in without starting the car, but maybe we need to start the car, and it was important to have oil in the engine. So I will open the high side. Let's see how much it will go back in. I didn't measure how much I recovered, but the AC was working fine, so there was no problem there. All right, let's get ready to, 550. We will put 10 grams more, it has nothing. And also we will recover the one from the hose. We are getting there, but I can say to you that here it is. So both fans are working now. Everything's fine. And I think the big fan will go into a larger RPM, but this is not enough. I'm not sure the small fan has more than one rotational speed. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Now I think this fan is a job for a workshop who has the right tools, because for me it was a little bit hard, and if I didn't have these tools for AC, well then I don't see how I would have changed that fan. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps a little bit. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.